Hi everyone, how are you today? I hope your Monday's starting out good. I just want to talk you through what's coming up this week. I know you did a giant paper last week, and I bet it's awesome. Can't say that I've graded them yet, obviously, since they just came in yesterday, but I'll get to them soon. Um, so this week, in addition to your regular post, you also have a self and context assignment, and I just want to talk to you a little bit about it. Um, Basically, we're kind of messing around with the idea of our socialization and how society touches us and those sorts of issues kind of in this little segment, kind of from culture through like this week into next week. We're just thinking about how our own socialization shaped who we were and how that kind of relates to how we make our way through the world. And so, a colleague of mine did this little kind of 5 minute self-exploration. Uh, it's an audio that you're going to listen to, and the painting or the image is a painting that he does because he's also an artist. He did this painting. So I want you to reflect, but I want you to do it in whatever sort of medium that you find compelling. So what I mean by that is, would you like to create a poem? Would you like to do a collage? Would you like to paint a painting? Would you like to sing a song? Would you like to do a dance? I don't know. Um, you can also just plain write it if you want to. Um, but I really hope that you do something not just a typical kind of 2 to 3 page kind of essay. If that's what you're gonna do, then write me 2 to 3 pages on the social construction of self and how that relates to you. That's fine, but I'm not requiring that. What I'm asking you to do is to choose what is meaningful to you. So say you do like, okay, so here's what I did in a class many years ago, like a long time ago. Or like 8 or 9 years ago. But basically, it was we were supposed to do like a worldview map that kind of looked at how we kind of understand the world, which isn't exactly the same as the assignment that you're going to have, but it's very similar. But I want you to understand that I am very, very open to however you want to express it. Okay. There's not necessarily a right way to do it. There isn't a right way to do it. So enjoy the process. And, if you can see how janky mine is, it's not janky, it's great. But I mean, it's nothing fancy. It's nothing, um, beautifully constructed or anything. It's just kind of how I chose to do it based on the materials and what was going through my mind at the time that I did it. And so that's what I want you to do. Okay. If you do an image, maybe do some explanation along with it so that I understand it, because that would be helpful. But again, kind of enjoy yourself. And if you have specific questions, please ask me. But have fun. Please, please, please try to have some fun with it. I know you're probably like, none of this is fun and I don't want to do any of it. Well, too bad. Try to have fun anyways. I don't care. Because this is good for you. This is like broccoli. Sociology is like broccoli. It's like kale. It's really good for you. So, blah, 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 blah. Okay, that's about it. So society and social interaction, how we interact, who we are, what roles we're playing, kind of how we understand that, kind of how society operates, how it was created, how it shifts as we shift culturally, those kinds of things. All right. So happy reading, happy self and contexting, and I look forward to seeing you in the module. Take care.